In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Excel. Now you might be wondering, does Excel have a background color feature? Well, not exactly. However, what Excel does allow us to do is to change the background color of individual cells, which is essentially what most of us are really looking for when we talk about changing background colors in a spreadsheet. Let's get started by selecting all of the cells in our current worksheet. There are a couple of ways you can do this. The quickest method is to press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This shortcut is like a magic wand that instantly selects every single cell in your current sheet. Alternatively, if you prefer using your mouse, you can do so by clicking in the little space located in the upper left corner of your spreadsheet, right between the A column and the one row header. It's a bit of an inconspicuous spot, but once you click there, you'll achieve the same result, selecting every cell in your worksheet. With all the cells highlighted, let's move on to the fun part, choosing a color. Direct your attention to the top of the screen to find the paint bucket icon. This icon is part of the formatting toolbar and provides a drop-down menu with a variety of colors to choose from. Clicking on it will reveal a whole palette of fill colors. Select the shade that suits your needs and voila! Instantly, all the cells in your worksheet will be updated to reflect the new background color you've chosen. It's important to note, however, that this change is specific to the current worksheet. If you're planning to continue your work on a new sheet, Excel won't automatically carry over the background color changes you've just made. To see this in action, let's come down to the bottom of our Excel window and click the plus sign to insert a new sheet. You'll notice that all the cells in the new sheet are transparent, or they appear white, just like the original state of sheet 1. This is something to keep in mind if you're working with multiple sheets and want a consistent look. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to adjust cell background colors in Excel, giving you a level of customization to make your spreadsheets as visually appealing or functional as you need them to be. If you ever need to revert back or change the color, you can follow the same steps, selecting your cells, heading to the paint bucket, and choosing a new color. Thanks for tuning in and happy excelling!